Ndewonu ndị be anyị nọ n'ihe TV. Aha m ka bụkwa Maazị Ifeanyi Chukwuogbu. Today, let us talk about something very deep and beautiful in Igbo culture. Ịgba nkwụ, that is traditional marriage. In Igbo land, marriage is not just about a man and a woman falling in love. Mba. It is the coming together of two families, two lineages, and sometimes even two communities. Every stage has its meaning, from the greetings to the breaking of kola nut to palm wine presentation. Nothing is done carelessly. Ndị Igbo si na omenala anaghị agba ọsọ. That means culture does not run carelessly. Everything is done with respect, order, and honor. So today, let me take you through a step-by-step guide on how Igbo traditional marriage begins. Starting with Iku Aka, which is literally called knocking on the door or introduction. The first official step in an Igbo traditional marriage is called Iku Aka. This is when the groom's family visits the bride's family to officially declare their intention. In Igbo culture, you don't just wake up and take someone's daughter. Respect comes first. The groom usually comes with his father, uncles, or close family members. When they arrive, greetings are exchanged respectfully. You may hear words like "non," which means welcome. Then the kola nut is presented. Ndị Igbo kwuru okwu si na onye wetara ọjị wetara ndụ. He who brings kola brings life. The kola nut symbolizes peace, unity, and goodwill. Even though both families perfectly understood the reason for the meeting, tradition still requires the visitors to speak. So the bride's family asks, "Gịnị mere unu jiri bịa? What brought you to our place?" Then the spokesperson from the groom's family respectfully explained their mission, that their son has seen a daughter of this family whom he wishes to marry. The bride's family calls their daughter and inquires if she is interested in marrying the groom. Her response determines what happens next. If she says yes, the journey towards marriage officially begins. If she says no, the journey could end there. Asị na onye nụtara nwaanyị nụtara ezi ihe ma nweta amara n'aka Chineke. He who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from the Lord. This is not a child's play. It is a real journey. This is the first step into an Igbo traditional marriage called Iku Aka. In our next video, we will consider the second step, which is Imego. Please, this is Ihe TV. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. I'm still your host, Maazị Ifeanyi Chukwuogbu. See you in the next video.